In order to do this project, the first thing you will need to do is take a screenshot of the worksheet. And your screen probably looks a lot different than mine. You probably don't have as much on your screen. But to take a screenshot, you need to press the home key and the power key at the same time. And notice I'm holding my iPad vertically, tall up and down, so the worksheet fits on the screen. So now I'm going to push the home key and the power key together. And there you see it's taken a picture of my photo. I can click on it and then drag the corners in to crop it and get rid of all of that extra stuff. So I'm just left with the worksheet. Now I can click done and save it to my photos. And then I'm ready to go into Autodesk Sketchbook to upload my image. Now I'm going to turn my iPad back vertically. And you can see when that happens up here, I've lost some of my tools. So you just need to put your finger on it and scroll over so that you can get to the upload photo. That's the mountain with the plus sign. That will take you into all photos. And then click on that worksheet. Actually, here's the last one I did that you just saved. I'm going to two-finger pinch it out so that it's big and it fills my page. And then I can click done. Worksheet imported. I'm going to come up and actually I'm going to pinch the corners in a little bit to make it so I can see the edges and put my name at the top. And then I need to get the correct tool. So I'm going to get this third tool here and click on it twice. You can see it is called Flow Airbrush, and I'm going to adjust it a little bit so that the size is about 50% and the opacity is around 75. Then I need to get the correct color, so I'll come up and click on the circle. You can see my first mouse says red. If you have trouble reading the names, just look at the first letter. R says red. And I'm going to make sure I've selected a nice color of red and paint in my first mouse. And I'm just layering over it till I have a nice bright color. I'm thinking about trying to paint the little feet and tails, but since we're airbrushing, you're not going to be able to paint exactly inside the lines. I just want to see that you're making an effort to mix the colors and fill them in. The next mouse says yellow, so I'll come click on my circle and turn my color around to yellow and paint my next mouse in yellow. And again, just doing the best to kind of paint over those little tiny tails and feet. Now, for the third mouse, I don't want you to use the secondary colors. This one needs to be orange. We're going to mix the primary and primary colors to make secondary colors. So it says here to put red plus yellow. And it doesn't matter which color you put first. Since I already have my color turned to yellow, I'm going to add some yellow first. And I've noticed when I mix these, you have to add a lot of whichever color you put in first and just a little of your second color. So since it says red plus yellow, now I'll get my red and just add a little bit of red over the top. And you can see that makes a nice orange. I'm going to continue following the instructions to mix the rest of my colors, and I'll speed it up so it goes a little bit quicker. Okay, this looks good. I've used my 3 primary colors to mix my 3 secondary colors. Now I can save my work, so I'll come up and click on the menu. Click on the second option, which is Share. And again, the second option, which is Save Image. So now my work is saved to my camera roll, and it's ready for me to post to Canvas. Have fun. Take care.